Hello children, welcome back to Max class. I am your Max teacher Sandhya from Bharatidasana Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 6th standard Max third lesson. So what is the third lesson name, my dears? Yeah, very good. Our third lesson name is playing with numbers. Playing with numbers. So what does mean by numbers? Yeah, number is a mathematical object. It is used to count, measure and label. Today we are going to see some of the topics. Listen here. Our first question is, write 3 pairs of co-prime numbers. Write 3 pairs of co-prime numbers. So before going to the co-prime numbers, Mona, tell me what is prime numbers? Very good. A number having exactly 2 different factors are called the prime numbers. A number having exactly 2 different factors are called the prime numbers. Here the question is co-prime numbers. So what does mean by co-prime numbers? The pair of 2 numbers which have no common factors other than 1 are called the co-prime numbers. What is the co-prime numbers? The pair of 2 numbers. So for example, I will take 2, 3. Right? 2, 3. The pair of 2 numbers which have no common factors other than 1 are called the co-prime numbers. So listen children, I am going to find the factors of 2. Okay, factors of 2. So here the factors of 2 is 1 and then 2. Next I am going to find the factors of 3. Factors of 3. Factors of 3, 1 and 3. So this is the factors of 2 and this is the factors of 3. Okay, so now I am going to find the common factor of these 2 numbers. The answer is 1, 1. So co-prime number means except 1. Okay, so listen children, now we are going to write the 3 pairs of co-prime numbers. Write the 3 pairs of co-prime numbers. So the answer is 2, 3 and then 3, 4 and then 4, 5. 2, 3, 3, 4 and then 4, 5. So now the factors of 2 is 1 and 2 and the factors of 3 is 1 and 3. Here the common factor is 1. Likewise, take a 3. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3 and then the factors of 4 are, take 4. The factors of 4. Now tell me more now, what is the factors of 4? Very good. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. So 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. So now we are going to find the common factors. Here the common factor is 1, 1. So 3 and 4 are co-prime numbers. Next we are going to find 4, 5. Next we are going to find a 4, 5. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Next we will find the factors of 5. So here 5 is the prime number. Okay. So what does mean by prime number? A number having exactly 2 different factors, that is 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. So write 1, 5. Now we are going to find the common factors of 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So what is the common factors of 4 and 5? The answer is 1. Okay. So listen children, the question is write 3 pairs of co-prime numbers. So the 3 pairs of co-prime numbers are 2, 3, 3, 4 and 4, 5. So what is mean by co-prime numbers? A pair of 2 numbers which have no common factors other than 1 are called the co-prime numbers. So our second question is, make a list of 7 consecutive numbers, none of which is prime. So consecutive means in Tamil they used to say todarchiyana. Okay. So prime number means already you know, when we have the number having exactly 2 factors means that is called as prime number. More than 2 factors means that is called as composite number. Here the question is none of which is prime. Appo prime number is not. So we are going to write the composite number. Continuous 7 composite number. The answer is, listen here, in first row we have 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, right, 9 and 10. So these numbers are called the composite number. Here some of the numbers are filled with some of the colors like blue, pink and green. So these numbers are called the prime numbers and remaining numbers are composite numbers. And second we have 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. So these are called the composite number, but it is not continuous. In between we have 11 is there, 13 is there, 17 is there, 19 is there. And finally you will check, here we have the continuous number. The composite numbers are 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. So write the answer. Write the answer. The 7 consecutive number is 90 onwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and next one is 5, 6 and 7. So write the answer. 90, 91, 92. So our next number is 93, 94, and our next number is 95 and 96. 95 and then 96. So this is the answer. So next question, is there any counting number having no factor at all? Is there any counting number? So I hope everyone knows counting number is called the natural numbers. The question, is there any counting numbers having no factor at all? So answer is no. In all the counting numbers having exactly at least 2 factors, right? So answer no. All the counting numbers having exactly 2 factors. All the counting numbers having all the counting numbers having counting numbers having exactly 2 factors. Exactly 2 factors, that is 1 and number itself. That is what is 1 and number itself. Number itself. Okay children, next we will see another example. So next question, find all the numbers having exactly 1 factor. So the answer is what? The answer is 1. So write the answer 1. For example, you are going to find the factors of 2. So what is the factors of 2, Morna? Very good. The factors of 2 is called 1 and 2. Next, what is the factors of 5? Yeah, very good. The factors of 5 is called 1 and 5. And what is the factors of 6? The factors of 6 are called the 1, 2 and then 3 and then 6. So all the factors having commonly we have the 1 is the factor. Okay, so the answer is 1. And next, find the numbers between 1 to 100 having exactly 3 factors. Exactly 3 factors. Now we are going to find the numbers between 1 to 100 having exactly 3 factors. So exactly 2 factors means that is called the prime numbers. Exactly 2 factors means what? That is called the prime numbers. More than 2 factors means that is called the composite number. Now we are going to find correct 3 factors. So listen children, we have this much numbers, right? So some of the numbers are filled with pink, blue and green. That numbers are called the prime numbers. I hope everyone knows prime numbers means that is exactly 2 factors. Now we are going to check the composite number. Okay, so in this composite number more than 2 factors, but now we need exactly 3 factors. Now we need exactly 3 factors. So listen here, I will take 4 first. I will take 4 first. The factors of 4 are, so what is the factors of 4? Now tell me Diksha, what is the factors of 4? Very good. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. So, how did you say the answer? Yeah, in table you will check means you will get the answer. 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. So, these are called the factors of 4. Next, I am going to take the factors of 6. Here the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. So, this is more than 3 factors. Here we got 4 factors. So, this is not the answer. Likewise, we will check continuously. Next, I will take 8. So, 8 means the factors of 8 are 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8 and 8 1s are 8. So, here too we got 4 factors. So, 8 is not the answer. Next, I will take 9. So, now tell me Diya, what is the factors of 9? Very good. The factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. So, here we have exactly 3 factors. 1 9s are 9, 3 3s are 9 and 9 1s are 9. So, the answer 4 and then 9. Then we will check continuously all the composite number. Next, we will take 25. So, in between having numbers and all, you should check that on that fully we have more than 3 factors. Take 25. The factors of 25 are 125s are 25 and then 2 table 25 is not possible. Next, we will take 3 table. 3 table also 25 is not possible and 4 table also 25 is not possible. Next, you will take 5 table. So, 5 table at 25, 5 5s are 25. So, write the answer 5. And finally, 25 table. So, the factors of 25 are 1, 5, 25. So, in this 25 also having exactly 3 factors. Next, I will take 49. So, listen my children, and between having all the number you should check. Okay. So, 49, the factors of 49 are 1, 7 and 49. 1, 7 and 49, 1 49s are 49, 7 7s are 49 and 49 1s are 49. So, the factors of 49 are 1, 7, 49. The question is write the number between 1 and 100 having exactly 3 factors. So, the answer is 1, 4. So, the answer is 4, 9 and then 25, then finally 49. So, these are the answer. In remaining composite numbers and all you should check. So, what is the factors of all the numbers? Next, we are going to see the interesting person. Okay. So, listen children, take this 1 plus 4 equal to 5. This is the puzzle. Listen here, 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So, consider, take the formula A plus B means A plus AB. A plus B means A plus AB. Here the A value is 1 and the B value is 4. What is the A value? The A value is 1 and B value is 4. Now we are going to apply in this formula. Take A plus AB. So, now what is the A value? Here the A value is 1 plus, again we have A, B, again we have A and B. Here the A value is 1 and B value is 4. Now we are going to solve this 1 plus, so what is the answer? 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4. So, the final answer is 5. We got the answer 5. Now, we are going to find 8 plus 11 equal to what is the answer? 8 plus 11 equal to what is the answer? Here A value is 8 and B value is 11. A value is 8 and B value is 11. So, write A plus AB. So, what is the A value? Very good. The A value is 8 plus, what is the B value? Here the B value is 11. So, again write A value 8 into B value 11. Now we are going to solve this. 8 plus, what is the answer? 8 11s are, 8 11s are, the answer is 88. 8 11s are, the answer is 88. Now we are going to add this. Take 88 plus 8. First you should start from 1's place, then 10th place. 1's place and 10th place. So keep 8 in the mind, 8 in the finger. The answer is 16. 6, carry 1. Again 8 plus 1, the answer is 9. The final answer is 96. What is the final answer? The final answer is 96. So listen my children, like this puzzle you have an internet, so download it and solve the puzzle. So listen children, in this session you will learn co-prime numbers and what is the numbers between 1 to 100, exactly 3 factors. So like that sums you have read. In this below description we have what is study material, question bank and a self-assessment work. So my dear students, do all the exercise problem. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you children, we will see you in next class.